Hey, welcome back guys. On the last video we talked about the hidden French cleat. Did you know you can actually use a locking mechanism when using the hidden cleat method? Today I'm going to show you exactly how to do that in a short video. So let me show you how this lock will work using the hidden French cleat system. If you remember from the locking French cleat video, most everybody preferred the traditional joinery method, and I'll put a link above to that video if you haven't seen it. So what I did is I made a little modification to the traditional joinery method. What we have is we have a wedge spacer on the back side of the tool holder. Then we also have the 45-degree tool cleat here as well. The next thing I did was made a wedge to fit into the back of the tool holder to hold it to the wall. Once I had the wedge made, I sat it on the back of the tool holder and I marked out the dimensions of it so I could take out the walls of the hidden cleat. So I think you can see I just took out the walls of the tool holder to fit the dimensions of the wedge. So using this wall cleat that I attached to the wall for demonstration purposes, let's attach our tool holder to it. Hopefully you can see on the side that the trim is flush to the wall, and then I have grooved out the smaller portion of the wedge on this side, and then on the opposite side the larger portion of the wedge. So let me show you how the wedge is used to lock the cleat tool holder on the wall. See, it's still, I mean, it would be very difficult to get it off the wall, but it is possible that it could fall, so then you can add the wedge. So the tool holder's on the wall, and now we can add our wedge. We can give the wedge a light tap. There's no way that this is going to fall off your wall unless your wall falls down. I'm really liking this method of mounting French cleat tool holders or whatever else to the wall. I'm definitely going to have to use this probably inside the house. I hope you learned something from this video. I know I did just researching the topic. Let me know what you think about this method. I really like it. If you're new to the channel, be sure to check out the playlist on French cleats. I would really appreciate if you would subscribe and hit that bell notification so you'll be notified when I make new videos. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.